Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to graph about y equals to 1 minus sin x. So because we just do the integration from 0 to b over 2, so we start at number 0 and we stop at b over 2. We know that when s equals to number 0, we have number 1. So when s equal to b over 2, we have number 0. So the graph should be like this. So if we look carefully, this one that is about the positive area. So when we cancel the absolute value, we just put like this. So the integration of number 1 that is about s. This one we have positive cosine s. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have b over 2 minus number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.